Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Fitria I Lihawa. I'm a student at Sintuwu Maroso University, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Study Program in English 2019, KKN in Malei Tojo village. This video is the output of the KKN. Here, I will explain what culture is still preserved in the village of Malei Tojo. The first culture that still exists from ancient times until now in Malei Tojo is the prayer for the spirit to welcome the holy month of Ramadan. The second is the torch light to welcome the holy month of Ramadan, where this activity is carried out. The day before the arrival of the holy month of Ramadan, the whole community from children to adults also comes to the street crying to races around the village excitedly about the coming of the holy month of Ramadan. The third is the torch relay to welcome Eid al-Fitri, where this activity is carried out the same as the torch parade to welcome the holy month of Ramadan. But in this torch relay we walk around the village while voicing takbir along the way, welcoming the arrival of Eid al-Fitri. Then there is another culture, namely Lebaran Ketupat, where this activity is carried out 1 week after Eid Fitri. This activity is carried out by preparing diamonds and other foods where any guest who come can eat the dishes that have been provided because this activity is general. The purpose of this activity is to strengthen the relationship between each other. And at the Ketupat Eid, even there are lots of competition. This event people are very happy. That's culture that we can take during our 2 months of KKN in Malei Tojo village. I hope this culture will continue. So many videos from me. Thank you for watching.